Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview API for brokers. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first step will be to access the API for brokers. So you want to access the API for brokers by clicking on the API button on the Tradingview dashboard. And step 2 will be to register for an API key. So you want to go ahead and register for an API key. That's going to allow you to access Tradingview's API. Now, step 3 will be to use the API to integrate with your brokerage. So you want to use the API to integrate with your brokerage and access Tradingview's features. The fourth that's all. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.